We believe that one of the biggest challenges in corporate venture building is having access to really experienced entrepreneurs. This means founders and entrepreneurs that can actually help you to build new businesses and are there with you hands-on building them. So what we've built here at Coventures is kind of a service and a platform that connects innovative companies with these experienced entrepreneurs.
The starting point for us is to identify the best market opportunities for technologies that we've developed and finding the product market fit and getting the business perspectives on the technology that we've developed. So the way the Entrepreneur in Residence model works is that we're looking for entrepreneurs, business-minded people with specific domain expertise in the technologies that we're looking to bring to market. We've developed a technology, they're in a particular market segment, or our view is that they're in a particular market segment, and we want people that have maybe done several exits in those same markets, have the entrepreneurial mindset, but also have domain expertise, industry expertise, who can then tell us what the best fit for the technology is, whether it's the market that we have initially envisioned, or whether we need to pivot to a different market, or whether we need to tweak the technology to address the most important problem in that market.
So we have tailored this way of working to meet our requirements because we have this specific need to find problems for our solutions. And for that we have 4 phases, if you may call. The first phase is to find the problem, find the market need. So that's kind of really fast sprint. So we hire, not for the Nokia, but we contract these entrepreneurs to work with us and work with the research teams. Then the phase 2 is that if we are kind of confident that there could be something, not of course, it doesn't mean that there must be, but we are kind of confident that we believe that there could be a value in this one, and the entrepreneur also believes that they could get this to the pre-seed level. That's kind of the second phase. So they then work on kind of value discovery and customer discovery, and they come up with the pre-seed pitch deck together with the research team. So this is not so that we let the entrepreneurs to work alone. It's always a teamwork, and they work like a pair. So there's always a business person and then the technical person, and sometimes there's even a team of entrepreneurs working on this case and together with the research team. Then the third phase is that they can then pitch this to our venture organization and they can get funding for the pre-seed. And the last phase is then that once we have understood what's the value, we will pick and select the right path for the value creation. And that is actually the end goal. So the end goal is not to run a program of entrepreneurs. The end goal is to maximize the value what we have. In order to do that, you need to first understand what you have and then select the right way and right path for value creation.
I think there is accomplishments at different levels. The first one is, of course, for all the projects that we have in our Entrepreneur in Residence funnel, we have about 14 projects. So we have definitely accomplished that we take a market perspective on these different technologies, and we've accelerated the market understanding, and we're setting ourselves up for creating business value. But I think at the bigger picture, we also accomplish a mindset change in research, that we want researchers in Bell Labs to think a little bit different, think a little bit more entrepreneurial, understand the business impacts and the business potential of the technologies that they research. So it's at each individual project level, but the bigger benefit long-term will be really at the sort of a culture change. I would definitely say any other organization should consider it. It's hugely exciting, it's hugely beneficial, and it's just different, and the world is different. It's not just innovation happens in large companies, so much innovation happens in startups. And how do you bring the best of both worlds together? So it's a journey, it's a learning experience, but I think it's definitely worthwhile to explore different perspectives and accelerate innovation, because innovation is running so fast right now that you need to find ways to accelerate your own innovation cycle.